every system has its shadowy corners, and I was eager to look into those shadowy corners.
We have the young people who are either media consumers or media makers, and those who are working with the young people, media information literacy, formal and non-formal educators.
The aim of this event is to bring young people together, to have a platform where they can exchange ideas, to get some inspiration.
I really like your approach, but I don't think that there will be an editor who will say we'll bring the story 5 days later.
My name is Victoria. I study in my last year at school.
People from underrepresented groups, from minorities.
It's good to find synergies. It's good to see what are the common points, but what are the different approach to media literacy or virtual reality or digital storytelling.
No one in Europe, I guess, or in the US can understand all of the processes we are going through. And we can help each other a lot. We can exchange experience, we can learn from each other, we can teach each other, and we can make each other much stronger.
You can go and try that role at their place at Agora.
This was fantastic 3 days for me. To know interesting people, interesting things about journalism, about techniques of journalism.
And I also learned a lot about critical thinking and journalism.
Young people can do everything. I believe in young people.
One more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank all of you. And good night. I hope you had a great time.